Hi guys, I'm Ananya and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you all this makeup look which I created, and this is kind of a bronzy as well as smoky eye with glitters. So Shreya Jain created this kind of a look I guess about 1 year back, and I really loved how that makeup turned out and how she looked with that eyeshadow look and everything. So yeah, I'm doing it now, although I'm not gonna use the same product as she used because those are quite expensive. So this is gonna be my version with affordable products only. And yeah, and also I really love how the makeup turned out on me, especially the eyeshadow. It's like my favorite and it turned out to be so pretty. Also, I'm so sorry you guys because the lighting can get a bit bad because it is so cloudy outside and now it started to rain. So I've been waiting from like afternoon to shoot, and then it all cleared out, like it was sunny again, but then again I sat and it became cloudy. So yeah, the lighting can get a bit bad, but please excuse me for that. I can't, like, I wanted to do the video. I was halfway done with the eyeshadow look. Also, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And yeah, let's get into the video.
Hi, so firstly I'm gonna do my eye makeup, and for that, since I don't use any concealer, I'm just using my foundation, which is the Lakme 925, and I'm mainly concentrating it on my eye region and not my full face. And I'm taking a wet beauty sponge. You should always wet your sponge before you apply foundation. It will just give you a better coverage as compared to as a dry sponge. So I'm concentrating on my eye region, and then I'm taking the Swiss Beauty Winky 36 eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking a burnt orange shade as a transition, and you can see I'm applying it all over my eyelids. And then I have taken a dark brown shade and I'm just adding it on the corners. You can see I'm just placing the eyeshadow and then I'm just dragging it inwards. So this will give you a depth to your eyes, and it will also create a smoky look. So that's the reason I'm using a dark shadow. So after that I'm just blending everything in with the help of that previous orange shade which I was using, so that there is no harsh corners to the eye makeup. And then I've taken a black colored eyeshadow with the same eyeshadow palette, and I'm just taking it with the help of a flat end brush, and I'm applying it as a eyeliner, as a black eyeliner. Then I'm using the Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow. This is a kind of orange shade, so I'm using it. They have different kind of shades, you can pick any one, and these eyeshadows are really good. So you just need to press it, you don't need to drag it or anything. And I'm just blending everything in, and then I'll be again applying the eyeliner, that black eyeshadow, to darken the liner a bit. Then I'm removing the excess with the help of a sellotape. You can also do it before you do your eye makeup, it will make it more precise, but since I forgot, so now I'm doing it. After that I'll be highlighting my inner corner and my brow bone. It will help your eyes to open up, and also the eyeshadow will pop up even more. And then I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. After that I'll be moving on to my face makeup. For that I'm using the foundation, which is the Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte, and it is in the shade Warm Beige. Then I'll be doing my highlighter, which is my favorite, that is the Maybelline Master Chrome. And after that I have applied the lipstick, which is Maybelline Intense Crayon, but that was actually too dark for me and I didn't like it, so I just topped it up with the Nykaa Matte to Lust in the shade Madras Kapi.
So this is it guys, I hope you liked the makeup look, and again I'm really sorry for the bad lighting and everything. And also I want to thank you guys because my last video, which was the nude lipstick one, it got us such a great response from you guys. Like compared to my other videos, that video was like the response was really good. So I want to thank you guys, and also if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care and stay happy. And again the lighting has gone really bad and started to rain, so I'm sorry. And yeah, take care and stay happy. Bye.